Neerja are extremely different. They are poles apart. Because Neerja's style of parenting is quite imposing.
Aggressive.
And aggressive. Yeah, that बेचारा you will agree because उसको बहुत चाटे पड़े हैं.
With every work, I'm getting to do a different role because, to be honest, I was definitely stuck in the image of Rosesh. It was like Spider-Man getting stuck in his own web. So I had to break that physically. I had to break that.
अगर वो सोचता है कि मेरा कोई बड़ा भाई होता तो बेहतर होता, सो ऋतिका का ये सोचना कि ये ऐसे कैसे सोच रहा है यार, मैं तो बड़ी बहन हूँ, मैं इसका ख्याल रख सकती हूँ, एंड शी लिव्स अप टू दैट एंड यू विल सी द एपिसोड हाउ एवरीथिंग गोज.
Hello guys, welcome to E-Times. My name is Nitesh Pujari. Today we have a wonderful cast of Ye Meri Family. So trailer is out and it is very beautiful. I can say that it's colorful. There is so much happening. There is festival. To start with, I will not ask how it was the experience, but I would like to ask how challenging was this season from last season it was for you, sir?
Season 3 to season 4.
Yeah.
Not much of challenge as such, because once you start playing a certain character, and when you are in continuation of shooting it, then the all challenges goes. वो challenge जो रहा होगा वो first जो season था इसके पहले, I mean the second season officially, और हमारे लिए first season. So there were little bit of challenge there because we were trying to find that and finding, I mean क्या बोलते हैं, fine tuning कर रहे थे हम लोग अपने आप को. But now I would say that it became little easy and convenient as we grew. And since the writing supported us majorly, and our interpersonal relationship became very strong. So I would say we overcame all kind of challenges and we just performed, and that's the chemistry which you see in the trailer today, and you will be seeing that in the episodes as well.
When we see in the trailer, the bonding between you and your daughter it's so much growing now. So how was that related to you in this series, ma'am? How was that for you? Change? It was from last season, it has grown beautifully because personally now you have to tell her how to live, how to be, like she's in 12th now, not in the 90s, now she's grown up. So how was that bonding went on for you?
See, for the bonding, I think Hetal and I, we just hit it off from the word go. When we were, for season 2, which was our season 1 together, when we were doing the readings here for the show before the actual shoot began, we just kind of developed that bond from the day one. And there was a connect which just could easily be seen on screen, and we could feel that while working together. So it was just a gradual progression from season 2 to 3 and 4, because situations change होती जा रही हैं as the kids are growing. तो जैसे normal regular parenting में, as in when time passes and kids grow, there are newer challenges in their life and newer situations that they see which parents have to make them understand. Since we already have that bond, those scenes they come out more naturally, and performance for us becomes easy in fact. More than challenging, I would say it is much more easier every day, every passing day. So yeah, we just kind of gelled beautifully as a mother-daughter from the day one.
Hetal, when you see that you have been now the things are not earlier with Angad we see. So how was that relation? We can see that you're celebrating Raksha Bandhan now. So the bonding which you have been grown, seeing you long time. So how was that grown between both of you?
The bond between Rishi and Ritika has grown beautifully, because it is not just about the cat fights that they do, and it is not just about how sweet or how kind they are towards each other and how much they love each other, but it has come to a level where they are actually protecting their bond, and they are protecting each other from different elements. दोनों छोटे ही हैं, so अगर वो सोचता है कि मेरा कोई बड़ा भाई होता तो बेहतर होता, so ऋतिका का ये सोचना कि ये ऐसे कैसे सोच रहा है यार, मैं तो बड़ी बहन हूँ, मैं इसका ख्याल रख सकती हूँ, and she lives up to that, and you'll see the episode how everything goes. So the bond between Rishi and Ritika has grown, and लास्ट सीज़न भी जैसे देखा कि ऋषि भी वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है अपनी बहन को कई जगहों से, सो कहीं ना कहीं दोनों अब बड़े हो रहे हैं,
Yeah,
दोनों की
mature
समझ
हो
बड़ी
रहे हैं।
हो रही है, और मम्मी पापा से जो सीख भी आ रही है वो भी थोड़ी अलग सीख आ रही है। जो हम हमेशा शैतानी करते थे, अब वो वैसी शैतानी नहीं है, ये थोड़ी सी सीरियस शैतानी
Serious.
है। So the bond has grown so much, and this season is all about new things and new fights happening between us.
इस बार क्या हमें आपके पास फ़ोन दिखने मिलेगा कि लास्ट टाइम से फ़ोन की जो ज़रूरत थी,
हाँ।
तो इस बार मिलेगी आपको फ़ोन या फिर ऐसे ही रहेगा? कैसे इस बार का कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था?
अभी भी 90s ही चल रहा है, हम 2000 में शिफ्ट नहीं हो गए। फोन तो नहीं मिलेगा भाई। 2000 होता भी तो ये
फोन
नीरजा
तो
और
नहीं
संजय नहीं देते।
इस बार आपने क्या नया किया है जो कि ऑडियंस को बहुत पसंद आएगी?
कैरेक्टर मैं
Yes,
शो
correct.
मैं बोलता हूँ शो में क्या नया है। शो में बहुत सारे नए मूड है, बहुत सारी वैरायटी है, बहुत सारे नए कैरेक्टर है, 2 लेगेड 4 लेगेड कैरेक्टर है और बहुत बहुत चेंज है सीजन 3 और 2 से, बहुत चेंज है।
Like I feel that he is someone who is very genuine, जो वैसे अभी है और उस सीजन में भी ऐसे ही रहेगा पूरे सीजन में।
हाँ
Like,
वो उसका ऑफ
innocence of the child is always seen. Yeah.
एक जैसे ही है।
लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि जब आप ऋषि की एक्टिंग कर रहे थे हमें लगा ये तो आप ही हो, कुछ अलग नहीं, क्योंकि मैं ऋषि हूँ ऋषि में।
Rajesh sir, when you talk about the parenting, what do you think about this season? Like when you see about the parenting as a child, how it has evolved now in the season? What do you see that, like when we say that the children observe us and they react accordingly. You don't have to tell them to ऐसा करो वैसा करो. So how is that evolved in your relation with them as a father?
With them as a character?
Yeah.
With them as a character definitely आप एक सर्टेन दायरे में हैं परफॉर्मेंस के, जो स्क्रिप्ट की एक डिमांड होती है। यू कैनॉट गो एंड एक्सप्लोर योर
Yeah.
पेरेंटहुड बियॉन्ड दैट बाउंड्री। उसी में आपको सारा खेल खेलना है। स्टेडियम दे दिया गया था, उस स्टेडियम में मैक्सिमम जहाँ तक बॉल का चक्का पहुँचा सकते हैं आप वो करते हैं। और बिकॉज ये बहुत एंटरटेनमेंट बहुत मिक्स्ड है विथ
Yeah.
इमोशन, विथ laughter, with
Life
with
lessons.
life
Life
lessons, everything. So you have to perform according to that rather than you have some preconceived notion and then you are performing according to that. No, the things are written very well defined and you have to just carry that with a certain, not with a certain, but with full belief and conviction. So as a parent I was I had that belief that I'm actually a parent to 2 kids and these
Yeah.
are the 2 kids. So उसी दायरे में रह कर के आप मतलब जो अच्छी चीज़ें लिखी गई हैं आप उसको परफॉर्म करते हैं।
Ma'am, you're a mother of a daughter as well, and how relatable was this for you? When you see the character, how connect with you? How different is Juhi from personal life and in this?
See, Juhi and Neerja are extremely different. They are poles apart. Because Neerja's style of parenting is quite imposing.
Aggressive.
And aggressive. Yeah, that बेचारा he will agree because उसको बहुत चाटे पड़े हैं. So yeah, which I am not. Like in fact, while shooting, I used to say many times that, are you sure थप्पड़ मारने की ज़रूरत है? I mean like why? So I would not. As Juhi, I'm not convinced with this kind of parenting. But then again, as Rajesh said, that these are characters. We are not playing ourselves. And we are portraying a certain kind of character of a certain time period where majority of parents were like that, because whenever we have
Yeah.
spoken to people, or especially like since morning or even in past seasons, whenever we've been interviewed, most of them have said to our 90s kids कि हाँ हमको तो बहुत थप्पड़ पड़े हैं, हमको तो ये बहुत हुआ है. This is very common.
Yeah.
So we are somewhere representing the majority of parenting that happened at that time. So that's a character which is totally different from me as a mother and as a person, my beliefs. But in terms of my bond with Hetal, because I'm a mother to a daughter,
Yeah.
that understanding comes pretty naturally to me, because I know what I feel
For you.
as a daughter's mother.
Yeah.
So that is a much more relatable emotion for me.
Exactly, yeah.
क्योंकि बेटा नहीं है,
हाँ.
तो बेटे की बदमाशियाँ ऐसी होती हैं, और अगर असल ज़िंदगी में वो ऐसी बदमाशियाँ करता तो मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करती, ये रिलेटेबिलिटी मेरे पास है नहीं. ऋषि के केस में रिलेटेबिलिटी एज फैक्टर है कि माई डॉटर इज ऑल्सो ऋषिज एज. सो that much I relate to. But she's not at all badmash like Rishi, and she's more understanding. So character-wise, more like Ritika.
So Hital, we have seen your documentary and the kind of roles you have been getting, and with the growing of age, it is very difficult to get a kind of a perfect as per the age. So how do you see the things like the roles which are coming to you?
Couple of years back it was
Yeah.
definitely difficult because I started off with TV, and after doing it for a while I got the opportunity to work with Nagesh Kuknur sir for Dhanak. So that happened, and then sort of realized that yeah, what I want to do, and I was very young at that time and didn't really wanted to play a married woman, and it was really difficult to get part where I could act and also be comfortable with the part that I want to play. So honestly, because of OTT, the doors have opened, and not only for me, but not only for my fraternity people, but also for technicians and cast and crew, everybody. So thankfully, with time, people are actually calling for different characters. They are approaching for different roles.
Yeah.
And as an actor, you also understand that yeah, maybe this you can do. ये थोड़ा सा spectrum ज़्यादा बढ़ता है धीरे धीरे. So डॉक्यूमेंट्री में इस वजह से इस चीज़ का जिक्र हुआ है और बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. बट आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट इज़ कमिंग माई वे एंड वुड लव, बिकॉज एज एन एक्टर हमारा अल्टीमेट गोल यही होता है कि हम किसी एक शेप में ना रहें, हमारा शेप चेंज होता रहे, बट शेप चेंज करना हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. जब कोई हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है तभी वो शेप चेंज होता है. So we are just waiting for people to give us that opportunity where we can actually change our shapes and tell them that yeah, we can be this and we can be that as well.
अंगद, आपको कौन सा रोल करना बहुत पसंद है पर्टिकुलरली?
मतलब
बच्चे का ही रोल, या फिर आपको अगर कोई देता, जिस तरह के शैतान में आपने एक रोल किया था बट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, और जिस तरह से यू प्ले दैट कैरेक्टर, तो आपको किस तरह का रोल पसंद है?
I think if I got a chance, I would probably be
कॉमेडी तो करते हो.
some character like Rishi, but the only change would be I don't want to get slapped 24/7. Yeah, I would like to do a character like Rishi, funny, funny, kind, nice. थोड़ा मजा आता है देख के वैसा कैरेक्टर चेंज है, and it has to be funny if I were to choose.
Just sir, the way your career has been grown, when we see that it's been 2 decades of your show, and the earlier the number of films you are getting and now you are getting, where it is difference now. So at this age, I mean where the character at this stage of career, how you see that the role you are playing now?
I think best phase of my career, I would say, BC and AD में divide कर लें अगर उसको. So
Yeah.
this is the AD right now, where with every work I'm getting to do a different role, because to be honest, I was definitely stuck in the image of Rosesh. It was like Spider-Man getting stuck in his own web. So I had to break that physically. I had to break that. Perception-wise, I had to break that I can do even a better matured role, whether it is हड्डी का नेगेटिव रोल हो या फादर का रोल हो, या जैसे मैंने बताया कि पाकिस्तान फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर लियाकत अली खान एट फ्रीडम एट मिडनाइट. सो ऑल द शेड्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट विच वॉज देयर इन मी. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर फेज आई एम एन्जॉइंग अ लॉट, एंड द मेकर्स आर हैविंग दैट कॉन्फिडेंस दैट यू नो आई कैन गेट इन टू अ डिफरेंट वेराइटी रोल्स. एंड ये वाला जो एक स्पेस है ना, जिसको कह सकते हैं कि लेट 40s वाला जो जोन है, ये जगह अभी खाली है और उस जगह को मैं भर रहा हूँ.
Wow. To end with and conclude with question that season 4 ends with the season 5 का कुछ आने वाला है क्या, कैसा रहेगा ये? What would be the
really
last
hope.
lesson from the film?
Yeah, the response
Really
will
hope
decide
that,
it.
that people love the season 4 as much as they have loved the earlier seasons, or probably even more.
Yeah.
And we do have another
season.
lineup of interviews like this for season 5.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Wish you best of luck for
Thank
this.
you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.